We're hoping to get this property open towards the end of 2026. We may leak into 2027, but the winter of 26-27, hopefully.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Save, borrow, and invest with Farmers. Take heart knowing you're helping create a strong community. Mind your money at Farmers. Talk directly to local decision makers about your loans, investments, and insurance. Farmers. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal.
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you all for attending the Mercy Health Champion Emergency Center groundbreaking. We're so excited that you're here.
Yeah, this is a very exciting project for us. It's been a long time in the making. We started working on the conceptual design behind this as early as 2016. We spent a lot of time looking for property, spent a lot of time discerning the right services to offer, and we're ecstatic that we're able to bring it to fruition today. And to your point, this is one of 3 major construction projects, as well as several smaller projects that we're involved in right now in the Valley. We have 2 specialty hospitals in Liberty Avenue, the second of which will be opening this winter. We're hoping to get this property open towards the end of 2026. We may leak into 2027, but the winter of 26-27, hopefully.
This freestanding emergency room, imaging center, and laboratory center is going to be part of the Mercy Health Youngstown Market, part of Mercy Health St. Joseph Warren Hospital. It's about a 12-minute drive from here to St. Joseph Hospital. It's very close. Most importantly, though, this facility is going to be very close to the people that live in Trumbull County, Champion Township. We're very excited to be in Champion Township serving this community's needs. It's always important to have access close to home, and you can get access in an emergency room, such as this freestanding emergency room, or the other emergency rooms that we have across the community. You can also get walk-up access, and in many of our primary care locations as well. So I think the thing that's the most important is proximity and access close to where you live.
We've been hired as the general contractor to build the building. And so to do that, we have to hire a lot of subcontractors to pull all that off, and we'll be working with probably close to up to 30 different subcontractors to build a building of this level of detail. It's a very complicated building.
We've been blessed because we're working with a contractor who values our local subcontractors, and they're able to bring those local subcontractors to bear to deliver these projects on time and on budget and a very high quality.
When we hire subcontractors, it's through, they compete. And the local market here is very prideful, very competitive, and there's a lot of really good high quality subcontractors in this area, and we really like working here and partnering with them. We will be working on this project through the end of next year, through the end of 2026. We'll be working on earthwork, underground utility type things this fall, and then later this calendar year you'll see the structural steel come out of the ground, and then we'll be spending next year kind of closing all up and putting everything together.
I think as we look back to 2016, we saw that there was a need as the Trumbull County community began to grow. We anticipated that and said we're going to need to be able to provide more services than we provide today. And this is really the first step in that evolution of providing more services. As you can see, this is a beautiful large piece of property that allows us to evolve over time without relocating.
We are very excited about this project. You know, we've got a long-standing commitment to meeting the needs of the Mahoning Valley, and we've had a lot of opportunities to grow and meet these needs as they evolve. This freestanding emergency room and the associated services is another example of strategically how we're growing to meet the community's needs.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Save, borrow, and invest with Farmers. Take heart knowing you're helping create a strong community. Mind your money at Farmers. Talk directly to local decision makers about your loans, investments, and insurance. Farmers. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal.